welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn functions. We have learned if, else, while, for, loop, and next we are going to learn functions. So what do you mean by functions? How it works? What are the syntax? So you have heard, like, there is in software companies or any project, you have a big projects, like for example college management system. In that, lots of small modules are there, like student panel, staff module, payment receipt, and like this small parts are there. So the programming is going to, like, one thing, uh, one part is complete by this function, other part will complete by this function. So how the combination is going to happen, and how the functions we can create in this, and how the code we will write, like one function we can use for loop, if else, while loop, like that we can, how we are going to perform the operations in one program. So in single program you can have multiple functions also. So for today we are going to learn functions. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel. Thank you. Hello sir. Hello friends. Now we are going to start our functions coding practically. So today we are going to, what is def, what are the syntax. So this is def equals to my function underscore function brackets is equals to print hello world, and now this is your program. Now I want to print this hello dot py. Okay, now I want to save this program. Here my command prompt is open. Now I am not calling the functions, I am just defining my functions. Let me check whether it is giving me output or not. So what I'll do, python space hello dot py. Okay, so it's giving me nothing. Why? Because once you create the function, you need to call. Without calling, it won't be display anything. Okay, so what we have to do, my function equals to space. Now let's check the output. Again let's see the answer. Okay, what happened? Oh, we have syntax error. Now see, we got the output. Now let me check. So can I do a pass a parameter here and the value should be displayed here? Okay, let's see that type also. So what I will do, I will pass here f name, and what I will do, I'll write here add something, my variable name, f name, and what I'll do, I'll pass here some value. Okay, so what I'll pass, suppose I'll pass angel. Okay, now I'm going to upload the video. Now I'm going to see what is the output. Okay, angel hello world. Now let me give the space. Okay, can I give multiple parameters here? So in this, what we are going to do is, like, we are passing a parameter in functions. Okay, so like we give the user input, likewise we are passing here parameter. Now suppose if I want to pass more than two parameters, like I want to print last name also, so just comma l name and out. And now I'm here also doing the same thing. I want to give engine suppose dot s only, fine. Now I want to print here the value also, so what I will do, plus l name. Okay, now let's save the program and let me call the program. Okay, see, I'm getting this output, angel hello world s. So this is your parameter. Like we have done how to create the function, how to run the function, and how to call the function. Second type what we did, how to pass the parameter in functions, how to pass more than two passwords. Now last type is like for loop. In this what we are doing, we are passing the list of parameters. For example, I have created one function, that is my function, and I am passing the list, that is food. So what I'll do, I'll make a one list, that is fruit. So fruit will contain apple, banana, cherry, and now I am in function. What I am defining the key, like for x in food, I want to print the whatever value in fruit list, it should print in the function. So I am passing this fruit list to my function, and this fruits will goes to the function, and in what it parameter as a food, and food has a for loop, like for x in food, like this food contains fruits values, that is fruits values at apple, banana, and cherry. So now after that I have printing the x value. So let me check to run. Let me show the output. For para python space for dot py. Okay, see, these are the values which contains fruit list. So now likewise you can do the return type also. Like for example, I have created one function. In that what I am doing is I am passing a one parameter, that is x, and returning 5 into x. For example, see what I am doing, why I am writing this print, because I didn't give any print message inside here, so I have to print the value. So that's why I am giving it here, print my function 3. For example, if I want to give here y, so what I'll do, I'll pass here y value, and this y value goes to this function. So what I'll do, I'll run the program, python return type dot py. Okay, now it's giving me 15. So this is the functions and their types. So today I have covered the functions, its types, and how it's going to work. Everything I have covered. If you like the video, if you have any doubt or the concept how to create and something with any points you are missing or something you have not understood, just do comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.